Hey, everyone! Today, I'm gonna show you a super simple way to create realistic hair in digital portraits. Let's start with a basic example before diving into the more detailed hair on our main artwork. So first, we're focusing on getting the overall shape and flow of the hair. I'm using a hard round brush to set up the base tones. I start with a darker tone for the shadows and then slowly add lighter tones with soft round opacity brush where the light would naturally hit. This helps give the hair some depth and dimension. Once the basic shading is done, it's time to start refining things. Here's where I switch to a retouching hairbrush. This one's perfect for adding that realistic texture to the hair. Using light and dark tones here lets me emphasize where the shadows and highlights are, giving the hair a fuller look. Next, to make it really pop, I grab the hairbrush tool and use it for those final strands. This part is all about detail, so I gently go over the areas where I want individual strands to show. You'll see the hair starting to look natural, with each strand having its own flow and direction. And that's it. With just a few tools and some shading, we've created hair that looks realistic and alive. I hope this helped. I'm sure this example made it clear for everyone, so creating realistic hair shouldn't feel hard now. Let's go ahead and work on the hair details in our main artwork. We'll use the same method and same tools here. First, I'll add the base tones to set up the light and shadow, just like we did before. Remember, start with a darker tone for shadows and gradually build up with lighter tones where the light falls. Next, I switch to the retouching hairbrush to create that realistic texture. This is the part where we add depth, darker areas for shadow, lighter areas for shine, so the hair starts to feel more three-dimensional. Finally, using the hairbrush tool, I go over the strands individually. This step is all about adding those fine details to make the hair look natural and full of movement. Each strand shows a little separately, making it look realistic. And that's it. You're all set to bring your portraits to life with hair that looks real and detailed. Just keep practicing, and you'll master it in no time. Can't wait to see how you bring your own portraits to life with these techniques. If you have any questions related to this, feel free to comment below. I hope this video helps you a lot. See you in the next video with a new lesson. Take care. Bye.